we are going to discuss Oracle minus operator. Next topic, minus operator. This is a minus operator. Minus operator is used to return all rows in first selected in the first select statement that are not returned by second statement. Now this is a minus statement. Okay, this what is the data? Each select statement has a data set, and the minus operator return all documents from the first database and then remove all documents from second database. Now we are going to execute minus operator. Now we are going to use minus operator example. After we will go for definition. Okay, this is a minus statement. Here we have column name is order 1. Okay, order 1. Now click here. Okay, these all are minus statement. Okay, see here minus. What happened exactly? Minus before minus this is the one statement. Same way this is the second statement. Okay, both statements. In second statements we have two records. In here we have 15 records and 2 records. So minus statement it will return I think 13 records, 11 records. Okay, I think here we have to use a distinct. Okay, now we have to, here it will show 13 records. 13. Here how many records? 13 records. Okay, here click here. 2 records. 2 records. 13 minus 2 equal to 11 records. This is a statement. In first statement it will remove second records. Second statement records. Now see here 30. What is the result? 30 it will remove. 30 and 31. Now I am going to check. See here there is no 30, 31. Now here check. See here 30, 31. Okay, in this statement also 30. See here 30 and 31. Both records are removed. Now go and check 13. 13 records minus 2 records. 30 and 31. It will show 11 records. This way. Now we are going to check definition. Okay. What is the definition? Here, see here. This is a first table. It will completely remove minus B records. This space will show. Okay. This space only we will get result. Okay, this is minus expression. Now we are going to minus operator is used to return all rows in the first select statement that not written by second select statement. Okay, first statement select records that are not written by select statement records. If you select statement records available, it will remove. each select statement as a data set, and the minus operator return all documents from the first data set, and then remove all documents from second data set. In first data set we will get all rows, and then remove second data set. This is only it will happen. This is a first data set, 13 records. In that 13 records remove second data set. Second data set remove 2 records. It will show 11 records. This is only we are getting here result. This way we are completing a minus operator. What is the definition? Each select statement as a data set. Each select first data set and second data set. Minus operator return all documents from the first data set. First data set is 13. Okay. Here first data set, minimize, double click. Okay. First data set 13. Okay. Return first data set and remove all documents from the second data set. The first data set, remove all documents from second data set. This is the second data set, remove all documents from second data set. It will show 11. This way. This diagram also showing the same way. Minus operator. First data set remove from all documents from second data set. Next topic we will see Oracle joins. Okay, next topic we are going to learn joins.